चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे रूरल एंड अर्बन, यानी कि रूरल जो हमारे गांव के क्षेत्र हैं और अर्बन जो हमारे शहरी इलाके हैं, शहरी क्षेत्र हैं, उनमें जीवन कैसा होता है, ये आज हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे। Occupations and community life, types of farmers, status of women, rural livelihoods and urban livelihoods. Rural and urban livelihoods refer to the various way people earn their living in different settings, each shaped by distinct economic, social and environmental factors. Balancing the needs and development of both rural and urban areas is crucial for overall economic growth and social well-being. Occupations and community life. इनके रोजगार और जो इनकी लाइफ है इस समाज की। एन ऑक्यूपेशन इज ए ट्रेड और ए जॉब दैट इज फॉलोड टू अर्न मनी। द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज ऑफ पीपल कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 groups. Primary active, some occupations are done primarily such as agriculture, fishing, mining, grazing, the animals and lumbering. The activities depend on natural resources. Most of the rural people engaged in these primary activities. Secondary activity, the secondary activities depend on the processing of the primary activities such as making wood from the sugar cane, manufacturing of cotton, textile, etc. Tertiary activity, the tertiary occupations are the various types of services such as health, education, or etc. Independence of occupations. People engaged in different types of occupations, all these occupations interdependent. For example, a farmer grows cotton but he cannot weave and spin it, then a weaver purchases cotton from the farmer. Thus the farmer is doing primary activity and the weaver is doing secondary activity. Farmer ने क्या किया, वो चीज प्रोडक्ट उसको उगाया और जो वीवर आया उसको वो चीज ले गया, क्योंकि किसान को वो काम नहीं आता जो उसको कॉटन को, कपास को जिसका ज्यादा अच्छा यूज वो सेकेंडरी पर्सन करेगा जो वीवर है। नाउ द वीवर मेक्स क्लोथ्स, अब किसान से उसने वो चीज खरीद के कपड़े बना दिए, बट द नीड्स ऑफ द थिंग्स सो ही सेल हिज प्रोडक्ट इन द मार्केट, दिस इज परचेज बाय द farmer. The activity of a teacher and a doctor is tertiary occupations. From this they get money to fulfill their needs. A farmer needs weaver, teacher, a weaver needs farmer and teacher. So the teacher needs a farmer and weaver to fulfill basic need. So all the occupations interdependent each other, है ना, एक दूसरे पर निर्भर है सारे जो ऑक्यूपेशन है, सारे जो रोजगार है। इंडिया इज अ बिग कंट्री. Its economy depends on the agriculture. 2/3 population of India engages in the primary activities such as agriculture, animal rearing, fishing, mining, lumbering, etc. In the rural areas, the secondary activities are carpentry, weaving of clothes, and cottage industry. Tertiary activities in rural areas are teaching, post office workers, electricity workers, greengroceries, washing clothes, barbership, etc. Types of farmers. Agriculture is the main occupation of Indian people living in rural areas. There are different kinds of farmers in the village. Landless farmers. Some people in the rural areas have no part of land. They are called landless farmers. They work on others' field and get some money or kind of the product. So they are 30% of our rural household. They are below poverty line. They live on hand to mouth. Marginal farmers. Such farmers have no hectare to 1 hectare to 2 hectares of land. They work themselves in their fields, but they could not earn so many. Then they could fulfill their basic needs. For this, they go to the nearby cities to do extra jobs, and some of them work in their villages in the others' field. So their economic condition is also pitiable. Small farmers. Such farmers have 2 hectares to 5 hectares of land. This is the sufficient to live simply for them. So the practice subsistence agriculture. Subsistence agriculture is carried out in most parts of India. Subsistence agriculture is the type of agriculture in which crops grown are consumed by the farmer and his family. Farmers intensively cultivate the land to produce the variety of crops from a small piece of land. So this farming tends to be intensive. This type of agriculture is known as the intensive subsistence agriculture. Animals play a major role in this subsistence agriculture. They are also used for transportation. Animal manure is used to fertilize the field. Rich farmers. These farmers have more than 5 hectares of land. They are rich. They use the modern technology of agriculture. They grow cash crops to sell in the markets. This type of agriculture is called commercial agriculture. So they keep agricultural workers on low payment and get down more work in their fields. Urban life is different from the rural life. Urban people are busy all day while rural workers can get sufficient rest in the daytime. 28% population of India live in the cities. Most of the urban workers are engaged in secondary and tertiary activities. Urban livelihood. We can compare the rural life with urban life by the following measures. Infant death rate in rural area is more than the urban areas. Density of rural area is more than the urban area. Rural communities are more homogeneous while urban communities are more heterogeneous. Movement in rural area is more from village to villages and villages to cities, while movement in urban areas is more from one city to another city. So all topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand this. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.